implementation where I helped salespeople about how to provide good solutions for some of the upcoming customers' requirement.
So wait a second.
Yes.
This little idea that you had on your own, you submitted to DemoJam, you got picked, you competed,
Yes.
you did great.
Yes.
And salespeople started taking you out to our customers so that the customers could start using this? And you put it on SDN?
Yes,
and got thousands and thousands of downloads?
Yes, yes.
That's pretty cool. All right. Enough talking. Let's see some demos. All right?
Okay. Yes.
You ready to go?
Okay.
Okay. Can we put the clock up, please? All right. I see the clock down here. You guys get to see the clock, too. There we go. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Fine. So last year, I showed you all my stuff. These small mini applications in the form of widgets, which were kind of retrieving data from SAP backend. This time, I'm going to present in front of you how to develop these widgets. So now what we have is an Eclipse-based development environment for developing these plugins. And I'm going to show you in less than 6 minutes how to develop one of them using SAP Widget Development Tool, which is based on Eclipse. And what I do here is I create a new project, and I'm going to choose a widget project. For an example, what I'm taking is work list widget. So this widget will display information about your work list, and I just create a new project. And now here we see number of templates. So I'll pick up the table widget template, which is most common. And now what the IDE is doing, it's loading the template, and what we get is the structure of widget. Now I'm going to customize the UI. So you see here, we have a view of the widget, and what I need to do here is first, I'll put the title. So here what I see is my UI and all my elements down here. So what I'm going to do is let's change the title of this widget to work list widget. Okay. So I save. And next, I want to customize these columns. I don't want column A, B. I want to put something sensible. So what I do is I remove them and add something sensible. Like I want the work list ID. I add this. I want the status of my work item. I add it as well. Then date and time. So I got my UI ready. Now what I need to do, I need to connect this with the SAP service. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an enterprise service from SAP backend. So I type in the name of service. Maybe I can search for this first, and it's connecting, and now I got my service. So what I'm doing is I'm importing the metadata of the service, and here I got the parameters. So what I need to do is I need to map this. So here you see the data mapping element, and either you can do it manually or I can simply drag and drop. So what I want is my ID first, work item ID. I drag it here. Status, I drag it here. Then date, and then I want the time. So I put all of them. So here is my mapping done. I generate the code over this. And after this generation of code, what I have more is this widget has a details view. So I go to the details view, and I'll add another web service for this. So this service brings out the details of the item. So if you click on a particular item, you get the details about that item. I search for this. And here I found the service for getting the details. And I add it as well. So I again have to map the parameters. So I want the priority. Okay. I generate code as well. And I want the description. So here is the complete widget ready. And now what I would like to do for the purpose of demo, I would like to make the size of the widget to double of its size. So I will going to do a small modification in the code, and I will make this widget double of its size. So here we go, and now I want to compile and build this and run it.
You better hurry.
So it's compiling in the backend, and it's getting deployed in SAP system. And what we see here is widget, which is bringing data from the backend. So here we see the widget. And I select this, and I get the detailed view. So this is how to develop a widget in less than 6 minutes.
Good. All right. Let's put up the voting. Hold on. Let's put up the voting. Put up the applausometer, please. Come on. There we go. All right, now, what do you think? All right, cool.
Okay.
Great job.
Thank you.
Now, again, that was just practice. All right, that was just a warm-up for you guys. Now the real competition starts. Okay. All right.